Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shamshad Khan. If you want to learn English, I will teach you easy English without grammar by daily use sentences. So, let's start. यहाँ कौन आ रहा है? Who is coming here? Who is coming here? वहाँ कौन जा रहा है? Who is going there? Who is going there? यहाँ कौन आ सकता है? Who can come here? Who can come here? वहाँ कौन जा सकता है? Who can go there? Who can go there? यहाँ कौन आएगा? Who will come here? Who will come here? वहाँ कौन जाएगा? Who will go there? Who will go there? क्या आप यहाँ आते हो? Do you come here? Do you come here? क्या आप वहाँ जाते हो? Do you go there? Do you go there? क्या आप यहाँ आ सकते हो? Can you come here? Can you come here? क्या आप वहाँ जा सकते हो? Can you go there? Can you go there? क्या आप यहाँ आओगे? Will you come here? Will you come here? क्या आप वहाँ जाओगे? Will you go there? Will you go there? क्या आप यहाँ आ रहे हैं? Are you coming here? Are you coming here? क्या आप वहाँ जा रहे हैं? Are you going there? Are you going there? क्या आप यहाँ आए? Did you come here? Did you come here? क्या आप वहाँ गए? Did you go there? Did you go there? क्या आप यहाँ आना चाहते हैं? Do you want to come here? Do you want to come here? क्या आप वहाँ जाना चाहते हो? Do you want to go there? Do you want to go there? क्या आप कुछ कर रहे हैं? Are you doing something? Are you doing something? क्या आप कुछ खा रहे हैं? Are you eating something? Are you eating something? क्या आप कहीं जा रहे हैं? Are you going somewhere? Are you going somewhere? क्या आप कुछ कह रहे हैं? Are you saying something? Are you saying something? क्या आप सो रहे हैं? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? क्या आप करते हैं जो आपको करना चाहिए? Do you do what should you do? Do you do what should you do? क्या आप सोचते हैं जो आपको सोचना चाहिए? Do you think what should you think? Do you think what should you think? क्या आप बोलते हैं जो आपको बोलना चाहिए? Do you speak what should you speak? Do you speak what should you speak? क्या आप जाते हैं जहाँ आपको जाना चाहिए? Do you go where should you go? Do you go where should you go? आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? Where is your house? आपका घर यहाँ से कितनी दूर है? How far is your house from here? How far is your house from here? आप वहाँ क्यों जा रहे हैं? Why are you going there? Why are you going there? आप वहाँ कैसे जाओगे? How will you go there? How will you go there? आप वहाँ कब जाओगे? When will you go there? When will you go there? आप वहाँ क्यों गए? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? आपने ये कैसे किया? How did you do this? How did you do this? यहाँ से आप कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Where can you go from here? Where can you go from here? आप यहाँ से कहाँ गए? Where did you go from here? Where did you go from here? आप यहाँ से क्यों गए? Why did you go from here? Why did you go from here? आप यहाँ से कैसे गए? How did you go from here? How did you go from here? आप यहाँ से कब गए? When did you go from here? When did you go from here? आप यहाँ कैसे आए? How are you come here? How are you come here? आप यहाँ कैसे आओगे? How will you come here? How will you come here? आप यहाँ कैसे आ सकते हैं? How can you come here? How can you come here? आप यहाँ क्यों आते हैं? Why do you come here? Why do you come here? आप यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? आप किसके साथ वहाँ जाओगे? With whom will you go there? With whom will you go there? आप किसके साथ आओगे? With whom will you come here? With whom will you come here? आप किसके साथ जा सकते हो? With whom can you go there? With whom can you go there? आप किसके साथ यहाँ आते हो? With whom do you come here? With whom do you come here? आप किसके लिए चाय बना रहे हो? For whom are you making tea? For whom are you making tea? आप किसके लिए खाना पका रहे हो? For whom are you cooking food? For whom are you cooking food? आप किसके लिए वहाँ जा रहे हो? For whom are you going there? For whom are you going there? आप किसके लिए यहाँ आ रहे हो? For whom are you coming here? For whom are you coming here?